Good afternoon, everyone. How are we doing today?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Doing well. Thank you, sir.
Let's see. Go ahead and call the calendar for today. I presume everyone's here. This is Brooks County docket. Greg Perks presiding. Our first case, it looks like we only have one case today, is 24-14751-CR-OLS, State of Texas versus Abraham Henrique Salinas. Do we have announcements of council in that proceeding?
Yes, Judge. Stephanie Carnero on behalf of Mr. Salinas here, and he is in custody in Briscoe.
Okay, and I see someone in custody, so I believe that's Mr. Salinas. Let the record reflect he's present today. And then who's representing the state today?
Luis Landeros for the state, Your Honor.
Okay, and what do we have going on?
Judge, so my client actually has two unindicted felonies stemming from the same occurrence that are still unindicted. We would ask for a reset to maybe end of November, beginning of December to let the 90 days pass. I have been in contact with the state. I have received discovery. At this time, I don't see anything missing on the misdemeanor. I would just like some time to resolve everything altogether.
Okay, has there been a plea offer given across the table?
Yes, Your
It's
Honor.
time served, no fine, no court costs. I have relayed that to my client. I have just counseled him that it's likely best to wait till so we could resolve everything together because a plea of guilty on the misdemeanor would be able to implicate him on the felony.
Okay. Mr. Landeros, any objection to the reset?
No objection, Your Honor.
You guys are making it easy today.
Mhm.
What do we have? I guess you were asking for end of November?
Yes, Judge, if we could, end of November, beginning of December. I'm not sure what the court's schedule is like because I know at the end of November it is Thanksgiving. So I just wanted to give those different options.
Okay. What are we looking for like on the court? Edna, you're muted. There we go.
On December the 4th is the next time that you are scheduled for court.
Okay.
On November 27th, we have no court on that day.
And I'm in New York the week before that. So um, I have actually I'm in court in a jury trial. How long do you think it'll take on the reset? Do you think we'll be going to trial that day or just a status hearing at that time?
I believe it'll just be a status, Judge, because the 90 days doesn't run on Mr. Salinas until November 22nd. And
Okay.
so that is the earliest that we would likely know if it'll be indicted or not.
Okay. Let's go ahead and move it to the 4th then, 12/4. And that'd be at 1:30 p.m. And I'll break away from my jury trial to do that. Okay, good enough. Anything else for this cause?
No, Judge, nothing
Nothing,
further from defense.
nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Fantastic. Thank you all very much. You guys, the matter is adjourned. You guys are excused for the day. Edna, do we have anything else for this court? You guys made it easy. I
No, that's it.
remember the first time I did this, there was like 60 to 80 cases on the docket, and we did it. It was incredible, but we did it. Good enough. Well, that being the only matter today, Edna, if you stay on line, everyone else is excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care, Gloria.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Is there anything we need to talk about as far as the proceedings? Thank you for sending me the materials.
Sure, no problem. No, we don't have anything else to discuss. I mean, this is our first case, period, and this is the
Oh
only
gosh.
case. We're only prosecuting misdemeanors here in this office. We're not doing the felonies, so the felonies are still are being done just through the regular county or district court.
Okay.
So this,
Well, the
yeah,
volume
so
hasn't caught up with them yet. Yeah, the Jim Haw County, I mean, yeah, there'll be a few and then it'll be a huge amount. So we go back and forth.
yeah. So like I said, district cases, they have several of them. They've got 10, 15 of them, something like that. But as far as misdemeanors go, this is the only one. Because usually what happens is that Border Patrol is getting there before them, so they become Border
Right.
Patrols. So the Border Patrol is taking them, and then they end up catching the smuggler. So then they end up getting like, smuggling of persons or evading arrest with a vehicle. This one
Right.
decided both, I mean, so that's how we ended up with this one case. And it was right at the end of the I guess the grant finishes
Right.
on on August of the year, and the new year starts. So it was right at the very end of the thing. And this office didn't actually open till February of this year.
Oh, gosh.
So we're fairly new, and this is fairly new to us. So
Well, if you ever need advice, Pam Benavides over in Jim Haw County, she's been
yes,
doing this for a number of years now, just like I have. So
yes.
she's a good person to ask questions for if you have run into issues.
That's where we went and got our training, and that's who I call. I'll be like, Pam, I've got a question on this, and she's real good. Yes.
Yeah, you always have to have that. Who am I call?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
good enough. Well, you have an awesome day.
Thank you. You
And
too.
we meet again. Thank you.
Until then, bye bye. Happy holidays.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.